Hi children, I welcome you all to this session. How are you all? Yes, I hope you are all good and fine enough. Am I right? Yes, take care children. Okay, let's start the session. We are seeing about the singular and plural in the last session. So let's recall at once and go to the next topic. Okay, singular car plus s, cars, pencil, pencils, tree, trees, desk, desk, pot, pots, mask, masks, flower, flowers, leg, legs. These are all the examples of singular and plural general things. Okay, general examples. So plural rules, we have seen about some rules yesterday. So here are four rules has been given. First one is, most times you just add yes. Most times what will we add? We add yes. If the naming words ends in y, drop the y and add ies. I told you yesterday, candy, candy. What will we add? We will drop y and add ies. That is an example. Ends. If the word ends with ch, s, sh and x or z, we will add es. For z alone, we have an exception. That is, we should add one more z. Then only we have to add es. Okay. If the naming word ends with f or fe, we have to drop f. Then only we have to add ves. We have to first drop s. Drop means remove f and add ves. Okay, add ves. Let's recall one time. Most of the time we add yes. If the naming word ends with y, drop y and then add ies. If the word ends with ch, sh, s or x means we should add es. If the word ends with z means we have to add one more z and add es. So the fourth rule is, if the naming word ends with f or fe means we have to drop, that is remove f and add ves. These are all the four rules we have seen yesterday. Okay, the next one is watch out. Already I told you the watch out, it's just a recall now. Buffalo, buffaloes, tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, quiz, quizzes. Look here, extra z is added here. So I told you to complete this activity. I think you would have completed singular sentences right this side left hand side, and plural sentence right in the right hand side column. Here also singular, this side plural, here singular and plural words. Objects present in your bag. Okay, next one, think back activity. This is a summary of singular and plural rules. Here they have given only three rules because for your exam you have only three rules as if now. Okay, add yes, add dash to some words to form plural. Generally what will we add? We will add yes. Dog plus s, dogs. Plane plus s, planes. Chair plus s, chairs. So next rule is, add dash to words ending in s, ch, sh, x. What will we add? We will add es. For example, wish plus es, wishes. Class plus es, classes. Watch plus es, watches. Last rule is, add dash to some words ending in o. Tomato. If tomato is there, what will we add? Tomatoes. Es. Potato plus es, potatoes. These are all the examples. And just a recall for singular and plural. We are going to enter into a new topic, that is the articles. We are going to enter into the new topic called articles. Okay, now the first activity is look deep. First activity is look deep. Whenever look deep comes, you have to think critical. Okay, here are some examples of people enjoying nature. First, let us see the example sentences. Aman watches a peacock dance. Aman watches a peacock dance. Mona watches an eagle fly. Mona watches an eagle fly. How many peacock did Aman see? How many peacock is here? Only one peacock. How many eagle? How many eagle did Mona see? How many eagle is here? Only one eagle. So only one I have written here. These are the answers. Kindly complete this think back activity also, as well as these fill in the blanks also. Observe the before the word peacock in the first sentence. Here what is given before the word peacock? But note the and before the word eagle in the second sentence. Here they have given and here they have given and. Why is it so? Let's see why. These are articles. And both are articles. They are used before naming words that are singular. Whenever we see a singular naming word, we can add in front of that word. Okay, articles. What are the articles? A and. They are used before naming words that are singular. If the noun is a singular, if the naming word is a singular, we will add and generally. Amen saw one peacock. How many peacock Amen saw? Only one peacock. So we say Amen saw a peacock. Okay. Let's start the activity. Before starting this activity, let's go and revise the vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. What are the vowels? How many alphabet letters are there? Totally 26 letters are there. How many letters? 26 letters. In these 26 letters, totally 5 vowels are there. How many vowels? 5 vowels. So first vowel is A. What is the sound of A? A. What is the sound of E? A. A. What is the sound of I? E. E. What is the sound of O? O. O. Sound of U? So you should know the vowel sounds. Whenever we see these vowel sounds in front of any naming word, if it is a singular naming word, we will add an in front of that naming word. In front of that noun, we will add an. Okay. Whenever you found the sound of vowels, not the letters, dears, kindly note down this. Whenever you hear the sound at the beginning of the naming word, if you hear the sound of these 5 vowels, you have to add an in front of that naming word. I think you understood. Next one is consonants. There are 21 consonants present in English alphabet. So let's read and practice the consonant sounds. First consonant is B. What is the sound of B? B. B. Sound of C? K. K. Sound of D? D. D. Sound of F? Sound of G is G. G. Sound of H? Sound of J, J, J. Sound of K, K, K. Sound of C and K, little bit similar but not exactly. It's K, it's K. You have to give a long stress here. Okay, next. Sound of letter L is L, L. Sound of M, Sound of N, Sound of P is P, P. Sound of Q, Q, Q. Sound of R, R, R. Sound of S, S, S. Sound of T, T, T. Sound of V, 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 V. Sound of W, W, W. Sound of X, X, X. Sound of Y, Y, Y. Sound of Z, Z, Z. So these are all the sounds of consonants. Now I hope you are all have become familiar with the sounds of vowel as well as sounds of consonants. Let's go back to that activity. Yes, now tell me, read each word out. Circle those starts with a vowel sound. Kindly note down this. We are going to circle the words which starts with the vowel sounds. So hint is A, E, I, O, U are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So first let us see the first word. This what word is this? Owl. Owl is a word which starts with the vowel sound. So let's circle that word. So let's circle that word owl. I have circled here. Next one is umbrella. Umbrella. What is the first letter? It is U. What is the sound of U here? Umbrella. So here vowel sound comes, so I'm circling this also. Here elephant. Elephant, what is the sound here? A. So I'm circling this elephant. Next one giraffe. Giraffe. G. What is the sound of G? G. G. Is it a vowel sound? No, it's not a vowel sound, so don't circle this. Okay. Don't circle this. Okay. Read each word aloud. Read each word aloud. Circle the words that starts with a consonant sound. We are going to circle the words with the consonant sound. All letters that other than vowels or consonants. All letters other than vowels or consonants. This is the hint here. So let's start circling. And is there any vowel? Yes, there is a vowel, so don't circle that. We are going to circle only the consonant starting words. If a word begins with a consonant, we have to circle that word. Parrot, what is the first letter? Parrot. Parrot, what is the first letter? P. P. So it's a consonant. Let's circle that consonant beginning word. Sparrow, what is the first letter? Yes, the sound of S is S. So we can circle the sparrow. It's not a vowel. Lion, lion. First letter is L. What is the sound of L? L. L. It's not a vowel, so we can circle. It is a consonant. So I think you are all understood what are the sounds of vowels and what are the sounds of consonants. So let's go to the next one. We use the article a before a word beginning with the consonant sound. If a word begins with a consonant sound, and one important point is, even though it begins with a consonant sound, we or vowel sound, we have to note whether it is a singular. Only for singular we use the articles a and an. Okay, if the particular naming word is a singular and begins with the vowel sound, we add an. For these and all, we will add an. These words which starts with the consonants, these are all singular, so I am adding a in front of the these words. Okay, for example, read this: an owl, an umbrella, an elephant. Here, a parrot, a sparrow, a lion. I hope you understood. Let's look the next example. A mouse. A mouse. Here M is a consonant. A house. H is not a vowel. So a house. A scooter. Is not a vowel sound. So a scooter. A train. T is not a vowel. So a train. I hope you understood. Let's go to the next. I have given you more examples here. Let's see one by one. First example is dash orange. Dash orange. Orange. What is the first letter of orange? So here first letter of orange is O. So O. O. O is a vowel sound. So an orange. Apple. A. A. A is a vowel sound. So an apple. Umbrella. A. Umbrella starts with the vowel sound. So an. Rabbit. The first letter is R. It's not a vowel. So a rabbit. Bus. B. B. A bus. University. U is not a vowel. So a. I told you already. So when a word starts with the vowel sound, then only we should add the article an. It's not a vowel sound. U is a sound of a consonant, that is Y sound. Okay, so we should not add an there. We have to add a. This is an exception. Next one, desk. D is a consonant, so a desk. Elephant, an elephant. Sheep, a sheep. Lemon. L is a consonant. A lemon. Egg. A is a vowel. So an egg. Uniform. Look here again a word. Again a different word, that is uniform. U is a sound of Y. So we are adding the article a uniform. We can add the also. The uniform, a uniform. The university, a university. Next one, igloo. Igloo is a vowel sound. And giraffe. G is a j sound only, so it is also not a vowel. It's a consonant. So a. Banana. B is a consonant. A banana. Uncle. A is a vowel sound. So an uncle. Flower. F is a consonant. So a flower. Ear. I is a vowel sound. So an ear. Bear. Bear is a consonant sound. So a bear. Ring. R is a consonant sound. So a ring. Arm. A is a vowel sound. So an. Farmer. A farmer. An eye. Eraser. So e is a vowel sound. An eraser. So next one, we use article and before a word beginning with the vowel sound. We use the article and before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an elf, an alligator, an octopus, an emu. E is also a vowel sound only. So, an emu. Using articles in sentences, identify the naming words used. First of all, we are going to identify the naming words. Whenever we see a sentence, we have to identify the naming word first. Identify the naming word, then add a suitable article. First, identify the naming word, whether it is singular or plural. Identify that one. If it is a singular, add a suitable article. Suitable article means whether it is a singular plural, we will identify it is a singular. After identifying whether the naming word starts with the vowel or consonant, we have to identify, then use the suitable article before it based on the sound. Okay, write your complete sentence. Okay, first look at the example sentence. Renu eats an apple. First of all, look at the naming words. Here two naming words are there. Reno is a naming word, apple is a naming word. We are going to add article in front of apple. How many apple is there? One apple. So it is a singular. We have identified the naming word. Apple is a singular naming word. Add a suitable article before it based on the sound. Apple. What is the sound? A. A is a vowel sound. So suitable article is an. Here the suitable article is an. So the sentence is like this. Renu eats an apple. Now the second sentence. Mohit is watching a movie. Mohit is watching dash movie means movie. Look at the naming word movie. One movie only he is seeing. It is a singular naming word. He is not seeing movies. It's movie only. So movie is a singular naming word. In that, what is the beginning letter? It is yum. It's a consonant sound actually. Is a consonant sound. So we are adding the add a suitable article based on the sound. The sound is consonant sound, so I'm adding the article in front of the word movie. Mohit is watching a movie. I hope you understood the second sentence. Now we are moving to the third example. Amal plays with a doll. Here doll is the naming word which we want to add the articles. Okay, doll. D is a consonant sound. So we have added a article a. Amal plays a doll. I hope you understood all the three sentences. Kindly practice these articles by framing sentences on your own in your rough note. Watch out. Watch out. Whenever watch out comes, you have to concentrate more and listen carefully. When a word starts with the letter U, but makes the same sound, in the sense it says the name of the letter. Okay, name of the letter, that is U. The sound of Y. The sound of Y is Y, U. These are all sounds of Y, Y. So yellow. Okay, as the letter Y. Y sound comes means we use the article a. Why are we using the article a? Because it gives the sound of Y and not and. We should not use the article and. This is because the word starts with the consonant sound, even though it starts with the vowel letter. If it starts with the sound of consonant means, sound of a consonant means, we have to use a only, not an. For example, a unicorn. U. Here y sound only, y sound only here. So unicorn means a unicorn. University, here also y sound only, so a university, a unicorn. When a word starts with the letter H, when a word starts with the letter H and the H is silent, if the word starts with the letter H and it is silent, means we use the article and, we use the article and not a. We will not use the article a, we will use the article and. Even though it is a consonant, it gives the sound of a vowel. For example, this is because the word starts with a vowel sound. Same what I said earlier, same only. If a word starts with a vowel sound but not the vowel letter also, we will add an. For example, an honest man, we should not pronounce this as honest, it's wrong, it's actually honest. An honest man. Here also an r, it's not her, it's r sound comes, so r is a vowel sound. We will add an in front of this word. I hope you are clear with these rules. Now let's go to the next activity. Try this, work with your partner. This is actually a pair activity, you can also do it alone also, no issues. Work with your partner, go for a walk in the corridor. You consider only this line, go for a walk, go for a walk in the corridor around school campus. Instead of school campus, you can go for a walk at your home in the corridor. Identify 5 things, you have to identify 5 things around you that are singular. What are all the singular things you can find? You can find out those naming words and write 5 sentences. Okay, consider only the lines which I have highlighted. Okay, go for a walk in the school corridor or around your school campus. Around your school campus, ignore children, only consider the walk in the corridor. Okay, go for a walk in the corridor, then you have to identify 5 objects which are in singular in the sense that the object should be in number of 1 in quantity. It should be its quantity should be 1. Write 5 sentences using that. Okay, for example, I see a dustbin, there is an ant on the floor. These are all examples, so I have given you 2 examples here. I see the park, there is a big duck. I see a park. Park is also singular. I see the park. The I have used here. You can use a. I see a park. There is a big duck. Big. B is a consonant. Duck is also consonant. So I have used a big duck. Canteen. K is a consonant. So the teacup. T is a consonant. So I have used a here. You can use the vowel sound words. For example, I see an ant on the floor. I see an umbrella on the floor. Like that you can write. Okay, write 5 set of sentences like this. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Kindly practice. If you practice only, you will become familiar with articles as well as singular and plural. Make your own sentences. Try. If you make mistakes, no issues at all. Try a lot. Do practice well at home. Okay, you make use of these holidays and improve your knowledge and reading skills also. Thank you so much, children. Let's meet in the next session. Take care. Bye bye.